One of the things I've always enjoyed about SEO content is that Google and other search engines will always place emphasis on those businesses trying to put informative content out into the world. So it's kind of an ethical process. If you are going to be creating content that is really informative and useful and actually serves a purpose instead of just churning and regurgitating the stuff that's already out there, then you have a better chance of gaining authority and gaining momentum in search engine results pages. So, with the March 2024 core update, Google has placed emphasis on the helpfulness of content. So, if your content is really helping users reach a certain outcome, or if it's helping them learn more about a certain product, a service, a solution, an idea, if there are ways that you can really validate that what you are putting out into the world is serving a proper purpose, then you really have a better chance of having that content categorized effectively, crawled, indexed, and hopefully getting it to rank a lot higher in search engine results pages. How do you know if your content is helpful? This page on Google Search Central is the place to go to find out. I'm going to link this down in the comments below, but it has a whole list of questions that you can ask yourself. So once you've created a piece of content, go through this list and just see if your content measures up. So does the content provide original information, reporting, research, or analysis? That's the first question. And a lot of the time, the content won't be original. There will be information pulled from other sources. So you will link to those sources to further validate your claims, but you can always present an original point of view. And it's your point of view, it's your personal essence, your business's uniqueness that you bring to the table that's going to make your content stand out. So use these questions as a basis to see if your content is helpful and if it is really serving a purpose. And then make sure that you add your special little touch of magic to it to help you stand out as a business. I hope this has helped you in some way. If you have any questions, just pop them down below in the comments. Have a great day.